Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure you know your Apple ID password and that a recent backup exists. Open Settings and tap your name at the top. This takes you straight to Apple ID options. Once there, tap Icloud to view services using storage. You need to act now on the items you want to stop syncing. Don't waste time on general setup. Focus on locating Icloud in Settings so you can toggle services off and control what stays on your device. Once in iCloud settings, you methodically turn off sync for each app you no longer want in the cloud. Toggle photos, messages, contacts, keychain, and other switches. When iOS asks, decide to keep on my iPhone if you need local copies, or remove from device to clear cloud-backed items. Make sure to disable iCloud Backup and iCloud Photos if your goal is fully local storage. While doing this, check storage usage so you understand why some items remain tied to iCloud. To finish, scroll to the bottom of Apple ID settings and tap Sign Out. You'll be asked for your Apple ID password to disable Find My and complete Sign Out. After signing out, restart the iPhone to clear caches and then verify contacts, photos, and messages are available locally. If something looks missing, make sure you previously chose Keep on My iPhone. Troubleshooting tip. If Find My prevents sign out, go to Find My and disable it with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.